Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabriella, and if you've never been here before, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is very anticipated. I've been planning this for over a year now, and it's finally happened. Obviously, you can tell by the title, it's an apartment tour. And just a disclaimer, my apartment is very small because it's only me and my dog, so I got a studio apartment. I don't really need that much space, but I love this place. It feels like me already, and you can tell by the boxes. Some of my furniture has come in, so that's gonna be in the video. I wanted this to be an empty apartment tour, but I do have some stuff around just because I've been moving in slowly, and I officially move in on Saturday. So yeah, I'm excited to show you guys around, and let's get to it. Okay, so when you walk in, you're automatically in. This is my front door. I have two peepholes, which, let me turn this light on because I feel like it's dark. I have two peepholes, one right here. These little black butterflies have been all in this apartment. I don't know why. But I have a main peephole, slides up, and I guess they made this for like short people. I really don't know. I'm short, so that works. So yeah, that's my door. It's my entryway. When you go to the left, you have a little foyer, I don't know how to say that word. A little space where I plan to put like a mirror and like a shoe rack with like some hooks, so I can have, you know, my everyday bag and keys and my dog's collar. And then when you turn to the right, well, I guess the right is like if you're coming into the apartment. Right here, this is just my box for, I don't know, the lights and stuff. I don't know what that's called. This, I love this, is my intercom. So I can see who is outside when they ring my doorbell, and I can see if I'm getting a package or my delivery's here. So I really love this because it's super modern and it's super convenient. And then this is my mattress that just came in. So it's in the corner here because I just didn't know where else to put it until I set up my bed. So as you continue to go in, this door is the bathroom, and automatically you see there is a very, very deep tub for bubble baths, which I'm so excited because I love bubble baths. There you go, the little black butterfly again. And then it's a very nice shower, ceramic backsplash. And then we have the big mirror, which I'm gonna be taking so many selfies in. My sink, I like it because it's pretty deep. You know, I don't like mess. I don't like water splattering anywhere, so I really like this. And then I just have some storage cabinet space. Oh, that's from cleaning. My mom and I came here 2 days ago and we cleaned the entire place. Shout out to my mom. And that's just like some cleaning products that I have from there. So over here I plan on putting like some plants and like, I don't know what else, like maybe a candle, something like that. And then I love this little chandelier type of thing. I don't really know what it's called because it's not a chandelier, but they're just like really big light bulbs, and I think they're just really nice and super modern. They're a little dusty inside, so I'm gonna have to like take them apart and clean them. And then if you keep looking up, I have like these in-ceiling lights, which I love. Then I have my toilet, which, you know, it's just a toilet. We know what we do there. I like that it's a modern toilet. I just have to press the button and flush. My toilet cleaner, which that's not staying here. I just bought a cheap one just so that we could clean the place. But I bought one that is gonna match the floor, which is black. Then over here, I don't know what these are called, but when I went to Italy, they had these in one of the hotels that we stayed in. And it's basically like a towel rack or like a clothing rack, and it heats up. Like if you turn this little knob right here, it turns the heat on of the pole, and this warms up, and then it just warms your stuff up. And I like this because I don't have to worry about getting a little toilet tray or whatever. Actually, should clean that. I think that's paint, but we're gonna get that off. So yeah, that's my bathroom. Oh, and I love the floor because it's black and it's super modern. So I bought like a white curtain. The rug is gonna be black. Everything in the bathroom is gonna be black, white, and wood. So I'm very excited about that. And yeah, so this is like a panoramic view of the bathroom. So then we have a little hallway that goes directly into my kitchen. Yay! But first, we're gonna go, this is my walk-in closet. I already have some stuff in here that I bought. I just threw it all in there because I didn't want it to be in the way. And I'm just gonna have to get another rack because I feel like this rack is not long enough and I have a lot of clothes. So I'm gonna have to like experiment with how I could get everything in here. I'm not gonna open this door because that's just like my heating system in there, which is kind of annoying. I don't know why they put that in a whole separate door when they could have just made the closet bigger, but hey, it's okay. So yeah, there you have it. And now this next door leads to what really sold me in this apartment, because if you live in New York City, you know that having a washer and dryer is like you won the lottery. So this is what really sold me on the apartment, because in the place that I'm living in now, I have to travel 5 blocks to the laundromat. And I was just like, no, I want to find a place that has a washer and dryer, or at least laundry in the building. So I got really lucky that I got these. So they're super new. This is a dryer, you know, basic stuff. And then a washer, I'm not gonna open it. I have some cleaning supplies because like I said, me and my mom were cleaning, but these are all probably gonna be disposed of because I bought new ones. And then here I have a little hook for my cleaning supplies. I can hook up there. And I also have some space in there like for my laundry basket. If I want to put like some little racks up there. It's pretty convenient. So then moving along, you're right in my kitchen. Basic kitchen utilities. There's a microwave, which I don't really ever use a microwave. I'm just not like a heat up food type of girl. But since I'm gonna start meal prepping, that's probably gonna come in handy. And then I have my stove, which is very, very, I don't know how I'm gonna be cleaning this all the time, but these things are so heavy, like extremely heavy. And the only thing I don't like about this is that like it gets dusty. Like I wiped it down with a paper towel and you can see like there's like little hairs from the paper towel. And then you have my oven, which I'm so happy about because I love to bake, not just pastries, but bake salmon, bake sweet potatoes, bake lasagna. I just really love to bake. And then here I have my dishwasher, which is not really gonna be used for anything other than a drying rack because these things take up a lot of water usage and we ain't paying that bill. So that's gonna be a dry rack. So over here we have my sink. And it's very deep, which I love. I love deep sinks. And then this is a faucet. It comes off and you can, you know, do your thing. Oh my gosh. Okay. So up here, this is my favorite thing because at night, there's like these LED lights underneath the counter. And then we have these lights that are separated from like the wall itself. It's kind of hard to explain. And I have so much cabinet space. I'm gonna have to get a little stool because I'm only 5'2" and I cannot reach up there. And I ain't married, so I ain't got a husband to reach up there for me. So yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have some more cabinet space down there. I'm not gonna open it because there's nothing to look at, just cabinet space. And then next, I have my fridge, pretty generic fridge. I love that this freezer has an ice maker. Like, how cool is this? I don't even know how to use it, but I'm definitely gonna be learning because I love to have ice in my drinks. And then this, you can tell that how clean it is. It's actually fairly new and I love it. It's stainless steel. So this is a panoramic view of my kitchen. Moving on, we have another closet over here, which is really supposed to be a pantry. That, I don't know what happened to this wood, but we're gonna get that cleaned up. It's really supposed to be like a pantry, but I'm not gonna use it as a pantry because I have a lot of cabinet space already. And I'm just gonna use this as a storage closet because I need more closet space. So that's about it. So then here you can see I have ceiling to floor windows, which I love. That is my bed frame that just came. Over here I plan on putting my desk with my chair and my keyboard and just having like a whole little work / studio setup for like my job and my music. And here it's another big window. I really like the view because it's like a private yard behind another building, so you know I don't have people like walking by in the street looking into my apartment, which I really like. This is a built-in air conditioner and heater. My tripod's on it because I wanted to put it there. But yeah, I'm glad that I have that in here, but I just wish that they would have put it like up there somewhere because it takes up like at least a foot of space in the living room. So when you turn around from the kitchen, you're basically in my living room / bedroom. So I bought myself a day bed so that the top part I can use as a couch during the day, and then the bottom I'm gonna use as my bed. Especially because my dog likes to sleep with me and he's really small, so I didn't want to get a loft bed, which was, I have really high ceilings, so I originally wanted to get a loft bed, but I just was scared for his safety because in the middle of the night sometimes he jumps up and down off the bed. So yeah, and then I like that there's some shades where if I want some privacy I can just have that. And yeah, and this is pretty much it. So yeah guys, it's pretty much it. It's not much to show, but it's my little shoebox and I love it. I'm very happy to be here. I'm very thankful. Just the way that I got approved for this apartment is just a testimony in itself. I just want to thank God for just blessing me with this place. And I plan on filming another video on how I got this place, what it's like to move in New York City, and just sharing my testimony with you guys because it's truly amazing. I actually had a dream about this exact same place 2 months before I got it. So it's kind of a crazy story, but I just want to give God the honor. And I'm very excited to have a lot of content planned. I'm also gonna film a furnished apartment tour probably a few months from now because I want to make sure that I get everything exactly how I want it. And it's gonna be a little challenging to furnish this place because it is small. It's only 480 square feet. And in that furnished apartment tour, I'm also gonna give you guys a little tour of the building, not the whole thing, because I don't want y'all knowing where I live, okay? But I loved the building itself. It's brand new. It was built in 2018, and there's a beautiful rooftop with an amazing view. There's a gym in the building, there's a lounge. So even though the apartment is pretty small, I have everything that I need here, and I just feel at home already, and I'm just very, very excited to share with you guys. And I appreciate you guys who made it to the end of the video. You guys are the bomb.com, and I'll see you next time.